Hey guys, I'm back with the video, and today I am in Peoria, Arizona, located in the Sereno Community, built by Mattamy Homes. There are 19 floor plans to choose from, 6 collections, and 5 model homes. Now, the home prices range from the low $400,000 all the way to the mid $700s. So there's something in there for everyone. Comment, like, subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments which model home is your favorite. Let's get to it. First up, we have the ELWOOD Model coming in just under 2,000 square feet. There are 3 models to choose from, and they range from $465,000 all the way up to $482,000. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath with a 3-car garage. Now, when we walk into the kitchen, you're going to notice that there is wood cabinetry all the way around with granite countertops. When we step into the owner's suite, you're going to notice that there's marble countertops and also wood cabinetry as well. There's a beautiful walk-in shower with an option to have a tub as well. If that suits you, please do not hesitate to reach out. I would be happy to help, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Next up, we have the Osborne Model coming in at 2,700 square feet. It's a 2-story, 4-bedroom with a loft, 2.5 baths, and a 3-car garage. These floor plans start at $570,000 and ranges up to $577,000. Now, there's a formal dining room, an office space, there's a nice sized closet in the owner's suite, and in the kitchen, there's a very sleek microwave that I think is very modern. Next up, we have the Bellwood Model coming in at 2,600 square feet, single story, 3-bedroom, dining room, and a flex space that can be used as an office space, 2.5 bath, and a 3-car garage. This model home features a Jack and Jill bathroom, which I think is my favorite by far. There are 3 floor plans to choose from. The first one starts at $580,000. And the last one starts at $584,000. And also, while we're touring these model homes, please keep in mind that there's an option to have tile, wood, or even carpet. Next, we have the Caden model coming in at 2,900 square feet. Single story, 4-bedroom with a dining room, 3.5 bath, 3-car garage. This home also features a Jack and Jill bathroom. The first bedroom has their own bathroom, and these floor plans, the first one starts at $625,000 and the third one starts at $640,000. So there's lots of different plans to choose from with different price points. So there's something that you can pick and find for everyone. What I like most about this home is that you can access the owner's suite through the laundry room. So not only can you go through the laundry room, you have your own entranceway on the other side of the home. Check that out. Let me know if that's something you would want in your home or if you just like the regular old entryway. Lastly, we have the Castleton model coming in at 2,900 square feet. It's a 4-bedroom, has a dining room with a flex space, 2.5 bath, and a 4-car garage. The model home has 3 floor plans to choose from. The first one starts at $648,000, and the last one starts at $653,000. Now, there's a large laundry room, large pantry in the kitchen, double oven. Pool is available as an option as well, and the owner suite has a tub and shower combo. Let me know in the comments if you like this home just based off the fact that there's a pool. I know I did.